Hello, welcome back everyone to my channel. Today Nifty opened at this level of 16,300. Then Nifty was taking support at this trend line. Then Nifty crossed this trend line and it was making high rise. So when Nifty was at this level, I was looking in Nifty 50 gainers. So I thought Nifty broke this level. So I waited. So when Nifty was making higher highs and broke this level also, I took a trade in M&M because I found a pattern, this triangle pattern, and there was resistance here 932 and 939. So I thought if it breaks I will take the trade and I'll gain points till 939. So there was a good momentum in the morning, then it retraced and it was going up. So when it crossed at this level of 930, I took the trade. When it retraced back to this level, I kept my limit order here and my order got triggered. Then it went down, like it gave breakdown before my entry, but I thought that is a fake breakdown, so I kept my limit order. So I was in a long trade. So as you can see, it was almost near my stop loss, and my stop loss was missed by hardly 0.15 points. Then it went up. I kept my stop loss below this low and this low. I kept my stop loss below this level, keeping some points distance. Then it went up, and my initial target was 1 is to 2. That was still here. But then I thought Nifty is making, new breakout and it is making wide range candles. So I trailed my target here. So I kept my target to 1 is to 3.28. So I was able to achieve that target today. So while I was in this trade, I trailed my SL, that I'll show you. When my when my entry was here, then when it crossed my from my entry and this wide range candle was made, then again it came down. When it crossed again this high, I kept my stop loss at this level. When again this high was crossed, I kept my stop loss here at this level. Then when it crossed this level and also it came near this high, this resistance level, I kept my stop loss below this candle. Then I found that it is making a triangle pattern. If it breaks down, it will go down, and if it breaks out, it will go up. So I thought I'll keep my SL here and I will keep my position open. So when it crossed this level and again retraced and crossed this resistance also, I trailed my stop loss to this below, this low. So after that, I did not trail my SL because my target was hit. So that was my this trade in Mahindra and Mahindra. When I was in this trade, I took trade in Nifty also. This was my small trade in Nifty. Where initially I drew this line this, like this, and when it crossed, I kept my limit order here above this candle and below this low my stop loss, and kept 1 is to 1, and it was very small trade, but my SL was wrong. As you can see, my SL got hit, then it went to my target. Anyways, this was small trade. So after this trade, I took a trade in Bank Nifty. I thought Nifty is near resistance level, and also here you can see there is a trend line, and Bank Nifty is near that trend line resistance line. Also, this is green is 50 MA. So when it crossed that 50 MA, I wanted Bank Nifty to make a new low. So when it crossed this low, I was supposed to take a trade, but it made wide range candle. I was not able to take a trade, but still I took a trade at at the close of this candle. So my RR ratio was not good. So when again it went up, but I did not close my uh, trade. When it came down and started making inverted hammer candles, I thought it is taking support at this trend line and it is going to go up, because this was the retracement I was expecting, and it was over, and now it is making a W pattern and it will go up. So I closed my trade. So this trade was no profit, no loss. But after this trade, again I took trade in Nifty 50. So Nifty 50 trade was again the same analysis. This was the support line and Nifty took a support at this level. So when it crossed this high, sorry, I thought it will make a W, and it did make a W pattern, but it did not cross the W pattern. It made sideways there. So after it crossed this candle, I kept my limit order here and my stop loss here, and I kept my RR ratio 1 is to 1, and this trade was here the target was hit. So this was my trades for today. I this was two trades. This Bank Nifty trade and Nifty 50 trade was uh, could have been better, because the RR ratio was not good and stop loss was also not proper, because this was small low and this was the actual low which I should have kept as well. So this was my trade for today. So thank you for watching my video.